anything. Just a second. Okay, the red liner is still on my brush, so I'm rubbing it. These looks which I'm creating will not take more than 3 to 4 minutes of your time. So just stay natural, but yet look glamorous. Don't fake it up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghazal, and today's video is going to be ultra amazing because I'm going to be creating 5 different eye makeup look within a span of 3 to 4 minutes. So basically it is going to be time saving, it's going to be quick, but at the same time it's going to be glamorous. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first look which I'm going to create is going to be a basic winged liner look, wherein I'm going to create a winged liner effect on my eyes, and that goes with any sort of outfit. Before I go ahead with it, I just want to let you know that the basic first step for all the eye makeup look is going to be the same, which is creating a white base on your eyelids. So let's start to do that. I'm using a normal palette and I'm just going to paint the entire eye area with white color. Why? So that whatever color I put on top of it, it can easily be visible, and at the same time it's going to be more prominent and pigmented. It's a little difficult for me to talk at the same time because it's a little crucial. And here you go, because these days guys, nobody has so much of time to spend on makeup. Life has become busy, but you still want to look stylish and glamorous. So I think the classic wing liner look is the best look, and here it looks like this. I think I've done a fair job to it. Just to give it a bit more a sharper and edgy look, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a quick mascara, and I think I am good to go. Here you go guys. So this is my first look for the eye makeup. A metallic eye look with a contour, which is very easy to create. You can see that I already have a white base on my eyes. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to take any bronzing color which you have in your collection. But for me, I'm just going to use the mixture of this and this brown, blow it off and create a contour. Very easy guys, it's like not a rocket science. Just create a contour look with any darker shade of brown, depending on your skin tone. It could be black, it could be any dark color, but for me I think brown does the justice, so I stick to brown. And here I created a little bit of contouring on my eyes, which will take around, if you are pro at it, it will take 30 seconds for you. If you're just a beginner, it will just take not more than a minute for you. So here you go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip my finger into the metallic color. Any damn metallic color you have, just take it on your ring finger and just dab it on like I am doing. Okay, it can be any color depending on the outfit you're wearing, but for me today I feel like putting, I don't know why, a lot of pink and red, and it's just a face. So that's it. And obviously rub the excess off from him. So here it is, and obviously don't forget to put a mascara, and one of your metallic eye makeup look is good to go. But I think mascara, if you want to put a wing liner, depending the time you have, you can go ahead and put a wing liner, but otherwise I think this also does a fair justice to your look and will definitely make your eye look like an exception. And the mascara is the key, and here you go. I think I'm pretty fast at it guys. All these looks which I'm creating will not take more than 3 to 4 minutes of your time. So just stay natural, but yet look glamorous. Don't fake it up. Here you go. Going to be my personal favorite because I do it quite often, and it is going to be a bliss for the beginners. So it's going to be a quick smoky. You don't have to spend like 20 minutes doing the entire edginess and the smokiness of the eyes. What you have to do is, like, I've already prepped up my eye with a white eyeshadow like everywhere so that it brightens up my base of my eye. I'm using this gray color in Glot eyeshadow, or you can use any gray you have. Just take your ring finger, or you can also use this, I don't know what you call it, but like applicator. Yes, applicator. So just apply the applicator towards the edge of your eye. Did I say apply the applicator? Use the applicator to apply the eyeshadow on the edge of your eye like I am. No need to do a contouring. Just do this towards until the center part of your eye, okay? Like where you can feel the eyeballs, just stop spreading it. Right, so I managed to apply the grey color eyeshadow until the center part of my eye. Now using the same applicator which I used for the grey one, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take a black color eyeshadow, which is my favorite palette from the Balm. So I just take the black color eyeshadow and very easily with a very light hand, just shade it up the remaining part of your eye. Yeah, so, and that's it. It gives a very smoky effect to your eye. And always be aware, if you're using any combination of color, don't use very contrasting colors. Like if I'm using gray, I'm using black as a shadow. If you're using peach tone or a skin tone, use brown color as a shading effect to create a smoky effect. Because if you will go for two contrasting colors, I don't think so it's gonna give you a very great look. So two very same family color will be a very good idea. And here you go with the smoky effect. Now, if you have, otherwise for me, this is just also okay and you just apply a mascara and you're good to go. But if you are going for some nice event and you want your eye to be a highlighting factor of your outfit and like your entire ensemble, use my favorite, the white liner like a Ghazal. So doing this will enhance the smokiness of your eyes. And obviously my eyes are ready, just some mascara. And this is a bliss for me whenever I rush off for work and I have woken up late and I don't have much time. This is my favorite, all-time favorite since 4 years look that I create on my eyes and I rush for work. So when it goes with everything, see currently whatever I'm wearing, it goes with it. But you can also use different colors like peach as a base, dark brown as a shading effect. Anything, same family color. So here you go. It's not bad. So black, blue, green, purples, I have seen all these looks. A quick budget tip for all the beginners and the college-going girls. Don't spend your money on buying different color of liners. You can use a different color of eyeshadows like this to create any favorite color of the liners you would want to. Any of it, okay? So you can see that I've already prepared the base in white color and I'm going to create a red color liner. Very simple. Take a liner brush. If you have any excess on it, like any, just clean it a bit. I'm using, this is the darkest, I think this is the darkest red I have. Yeah, this is the darkest red I have. So I'm just taking a red color eyeshadow on my liner brush and I'm just going to apply it like how you apply a wing liner or any liner, which is very easy. Guys, please don't spend money in buying different colors of liner. The fashion keeps changing. So try to use the makeup products you have. That's what I actually do. I don't like to have a whole palace of makeup because at the end of the day, everything in limit is good. But, so I'm just creating a liner effect, like a thick liner effect. Guys, when you're applying this, don't forget to put it a little bit underneath also. Yeah, just a second. Okay, so I have created a liner effect from this red. This is the darkest red I had, guys. So I know it's more of a pinkish tone, but it's better if you have a red color, like a dark red color, or you can combine this dark red pink color with like a little browner effect on it so that it gives a more, how can I say, prominent and pigmented look. So I'm just mixing some brown to it to give it like a more maroonish effect. Yeah. So I just created a liner. For me, this is fine as well, okay? You just apply mascara and you look very different. Your eye creates a very different look. But if you're going for some like party or a night event and you're wearing a very like monotone color outfit, you need to bring the blink on your eyes. So buy guys, invest in good glittery eyeliners. So what I'm gonna just do is, I'm just going to put a glitter transparent liner and it will give you a little blingy effect. And here you go. Little bling does a magic, and a magic creates a miracle. So just don't forget your mascara. Quick mascara, guys. All this thing, when you look at it, might feel that it is taking 100 years, but believe you me, it doesn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes. You can try it and comment me in. So here you go. The easiest of all, and the base remains the same, the white color canvas which I am creating for all my looks to enhance the pigmentation which I'm going to apply. So this is going to be a no makeup glitter look. What I'm going to do is, just the eyeshadow is prepared, like the white color thing, and I'll be using this golden color glitter, or if you have any color glitter, you can use it. My ring finger is my favorite, and I'm just going to tap the golden glitter on over my eyelid area. This is the easiest, guys, and you know, it brings like so much shine, and how can I say, like it looks like you've put so much efforts to create it, but it's actually nothing. So just tap it on. Okay, so I've just applied the golden color glitter thing with my ring finger, and what you can do is you can use any warm color very quickly, maybe brown, but don't go for black, any light brown or anything. Just a second. Okay, the red liner is still on my brush, so I'm rubbing it off. Okay, so I'm just using this brown color like Ghazal, very lightly, guys, and even if you skip this step, I don't think so it will bring a lot of problem or a lot of major changes. So yeah, just a little bit of warmth, and I am ready just to apply the mascara, and it gives you a very natural and a subtle day look. If you have not much time, just do this much of bit and good to go. The only step which is going to be different in mascara is, like in all my looks, I did not apply the mascara on my lower lashes, but in this step you do have to apply the mascara on your lower lashes to give you that woken up and fresh look. So here, I always get scared to, yeah, bit of it. Done. I realized something. Whenever I apply mascara, I open my mouth, which is so stupid and crazy. So that's how it looks, guys. And I hope you found this video very useful, time-saving. And if you have any comments, any suggestions about it, feel free to write me in the comment box. And don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to our one-stop page on YouTube and IGTV. Stay tuned with us. Keep liking our videos. And I hope you're having fun with us. Thank you so much.